This is letter I. The letter I makes a short sound. Like in sit. Ta. It. Sit. Sit.
Pig. Pig. Pig.
Great job.
The letter I makes a long sound. I. Like in ice. Ice. Ice.
Bike. Bike. Great job.
Now, let's practice the letter I sound together with some fun word segmentation. Before we dive in, take 5 seconds to hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Let's get started.
In.
In. In. Pin.
In. Pin.
In. Pin. Pin.
In. Pin. Pin.
In. Fin. Fin.
In. Fin. Fin.
In. Bin. Bin.
In. Bin. Bin.
In. Win. Win.
In. Win. Win.
Great. Let's listen, point, and repeat.
Pin. 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 Bin. 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 Pin. Bin. 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 Pin. Bin. Pin. Pin. Bin. Bin. Pin. Pin. Bin. Bin.
Great. Let's listen and learn.
Egg.
Egg. Egg.
Egg. Fig.
Egg. Fig.
Egg. Fig. Fig.
Egg. Fig. Fig.
Egg. Wig. Wig.
Egg. Wig. Wig.
Egg. Big. Big.
Egg. Big. Big.
Egg. Dig. Dig.
Egg. Dig. Dig.
Great. Let's listen and chant. Then read.
Big, dig, fig, wig. Big, dig, fig, wig. Big, dig, fig, wig. Big, dig, fig, wig. Dig, dig, wig, wig. Dig, dig, wig, wig. Fig, fig, big, big. Fig, fig, big, big. Big, dig, fig, wig. Big, dig, fig, wig.
Great. Let's listen and learn the short I with T and X.
It.
It. It.
It. Pit.
It. Pit.
It. Pit. Pit.
It. Pit. Pit.
It. Hit. Hit.
It. Hit. Hit.
Ix. Ix.
X. X.
Ix. Six.
X. 6.
X. 6. 6.
X. 6. 6.
M. X. Mix. Mix.
M. X. Mix. Mix.
6, 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. Pit, pit, pit. Pit, pit, pit. Pit, pit. Pit, 6, pit. Pit, pit. Pit, 6, pit. 6, 6, pit, pit. 6, 6, pit, pit. I don't.
I don't.
I don't want.
I don't want.
I don't want 6 pits.
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 Great job, kids! Today, we've learned the short I blended with N, G, T, and X. Keep practicing and have fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an exciting lesson. Join the fun and explore more with ABC Learning for Toddlers. See you next time!